You carry some of the finest vehicles in the world. Cars, tractors, even trucks. And though brands might make a difference to some people, you have other things on your mind. Weight, width, length. Because this is what really matters in the business of vehicle transport. Dimensions that can't be exceeded but have to be maximized to meet the high demands of your industry. You don't want to be the one scratching the paint. A standard solution just isn't enough if you're aiming for more. You need to combine the strength of technical specifications with the smartness of optimized services. You need a solution tailored for you. So, the next time you're thinking about a new truck, don't just rely on our reputation. Let's meet face to face. Allow us to show you that this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of truck. It's a solution tailored for the only business that matters, yours.